Today we are going to read the slides, PPT slides of BT201 Ecology, Biodiversity and Evolution 2, and let's begin. This is topic number 25 and phylum Annelida, class Polychaeta and class Chaliceta. Class Clitellata. Polychaeta and Clitellata. Annelid characteristics. Defining characters: one or more pairs of chitinous setae. The phylum includes polychaetes, earthworms, leeches, and vestimentiferans. Vestimentiferans. True segmented worms. Metameric segmentation. Body structure. The body is a tube within a tube. The coelom is important to annelids for the epidermis is what secretes the tough cuticle. Okay. Locomotion. On each side of the animal is a parapodia consisting of fleshy lobes which are supported by chitinous rods. Each parapod have setae which can be sharp protection and aid in locomotion. Digestive system. This is the digestive gland: mouth, pharynx, digestive gland, esophagus, septum, intestine, coelom compartments, rectum, and anus. Circulatory system. Capillary bed in parapod, median dorsal vessel, median ventral vessel, capillary bed in intestine, and blood flows entirely in closed vessels. Some species have hearts. Blood contains hemoglobin, which increases the oxygen carrying ability. Excretory and nervous system. Ciliated funnel nephrostome draws in coelomic fluid. Blood vessels and capillary site of resorption and tubular secretion. Excretory opening, nephridiopore. Nervous system. And sensory projections, dorsal ganglion, eyes, first ventral ganglion, second, and so on. Reproduction. Sexes are usually separate with gonads occurring in each segment. Some species have gonad specific segments. Breeding is usually seasonal, spring or fall. As gametes mature, they fill the coelom and are released by the nephridia. Fertilization can be internal or external. Trochophore larvae develop which are remarkably similar to the mollusk. Taxonomy summary: Hirudinea, Oligochaeta, Ichthyophora, Pogonophora, and Polychaeta. Polychaeta is very much large in number. Phylum Annelida, class Polychaeta, family Ciboglinidae, class Clitellata, subclass Oligochaeta, subclass Hirudinea, class Polychaeta. Defining characteristics: parapodia. Some tubed species lack parapodia, but it is believed to have been lost. Parapodia differ from species to species and play an important role in identification. Polychaete lifestyles: crawling polychaetes, pelagic polychaetes, burrowing polychaetes, tube-dwelling polychaetes. Polychaete lifestyle. This is tube-dwelling polychaete. And reproduction: apical tuft, prototroch, mouth, larval excretory organ, stomach, anus, intestine, sensory area, trochophore. Deciduous with gametes released into the xylem. Many species in reproduce in massy at the surface at night. Moonlight and artificial light attract spawning masses. Epitoques. Epitoki. These are given the task of reproduction. Some individuals bud epitoques from the body and remain in the habitat. Some species lack a free swimming or plankton stage and are produced in productive gelatinous egg masses. Family Siboglinidae. Defining characteristics. Gut tissue forms an organ trophosome that becomes filled with chemosynthetic bacteria. Segmentation confined to small rare portion of animal, the opistosoma. Small intriguing class of tube dwelling worms found throughout the world's oceans. All 120 species are marine and can be found in high concentration on hydrothermal vents. Trophosome. The major organs, gonads and trophosome are found in the coelom. The trophosome of all species contains closely packed bacteria and play a crucial role in nutrition. The last segment is the opistosoma, which has many segments and septa like polychaetes. Chemosynthetic bacteria. The most interesting aspect of pogonophora is the lack of a digestive system. Bacteria in the trophosome fix the chemicals leaving the vents. The bacteria can occur at concentrations of 10 billion per gram of trophosome tissue. Class Clitellata, mouth and clitellum. Subclass Oligochaeta. Defining characters. Pronounced cylindrical glandular region of the body, clitellum. Second largest class in the phylum Annelida. Most species are earthworms, very few are marine. Polychaetes and oligochaetes. Oligochaetes differ from polychaetes in several ways. No parapods, fewer setae if at all. Hermaphroditic with sex cells produced in a separate section. No larval stages. Class Clitellata. Subclass Hydrodinia. Defining characters. Posterior sucker. Predominantly freshwater but do occur in all seas and moist soil. Leeches do not burrow or crawl, lack parapods and setae. This is a leech anatomy. Anterior sucker is small and contains the mouth. Anterior sucker creates a wound with saw-like jaws. Leeches drink other animals' blood, usually vertebrates. Can be carnivore or scavengers. Leeches are not set in their feeding habits. Leech reproduction. Leeches are simultaneous hermaphrodites that lack a free-living larvae stage. Fertilization is internal through copulation. Development occurs in a cocoon similar to the oligochaetes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.